Test one, test two. And mic check, mic check. All right. All right, don't forget trading is risky and all that business. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome back for the afternoon. Sorry, I am late. We had some appointments and stuff to take care of. You know, the drill. All right, we got an Enigma showing up right here. We had the power headshot at the top of the channel. This is the red zone from this morning. It did not get back quite in time to grab in onto that one, but I did grab a little bit more right before I left, and we are here for the afternoon. It's only got we've only got about 45 minutes left, and yes, really want to keep this in mind. Remember we talked about the 3 crowns on the ES? You had it. We popped up, there's 1, there's 2, and we technically, I mean, we kind of had the 3 right there. 1, 2, and 3. Usually this one goes a little bit higher to give the full kind of fake out, and then look at her go. Monster. And yeah, so I think we're going to have some exciting opportunities here this afternoon in positive territory on the day. And let's see how the day shapes out. We've got 45 minutes. It's literally 3:15 now. On the high time frame, we had the big Titanic zone, 1, 2, and 3 ready DDs right in there. Big 6.2 at the top for the drop. On the 89, we also had that kind of same number there on the high time frame. Back down into the golden ropes. Nice little Enigma push up there. Let me get settled in here. We have I am seeing looking for big bears and big bulls here. We kind of got the exchange of hands right here. We got 2K up, 2K down. So they've swapped hands through these 2 legs right here. So we can play both sides. Those are basically neutralized now. Recency is key. Well, bears took over. So as much as everybody wished and woulda, coulda, shoulda, there was like, oh, it's gonna be up all day. I don't know about that. Don't know about that. I think because everybody did think that was going to be the play, it's kind of what I said earlier. It's probably not. Just saying. There was too many retail people talking long. I don't think that was going to happen. It's just the nature of the beast. Okay, we are flat inside the fiddle zone currently, so inside here, what's our direction? Well, we need to wait for a red arrow because right now we are green arrowed. Inside we have nerd red, and we need the arrow to match it, and then of course we'll also look for jagged on the tape. Before that launch, if you guys are there during this one, you did have the warning right there. You had the jagged on the tape indicating that it was going to be the big play as well. So always pay attention to that jagged on the tape scenario on the MACV Ultimate, like we have taught you guys and teach all the time and walk through in our live streams. Make sure you pay attention to that MACV filtering. Let's see if I can get this account into positive territory. Got my work cut out for me here. We don't have much time left. So 317, 318 now. We don't have any scheduled news for the afternoon, but you know how it is. Trump can talk at any time. Okay, I'm going to take a slap at this. We've got a super dot. It is a double ready DD. Still currently green on the arrow. Waiting for the red arrow, so it's kind of preempting the red arrow to show up here. Hearing buyers on the tape. Currently red nerd. Inside the fiddle zone, looking for a red arrow to show up. We're pretty close to the top of the Bollinger there, which would give me the other structure to punch that short there, but this is kind of like a little bit of a headshot double ready DD in this area. So the ready DD says get ready and then take the next play. What was it? Well, we had the dot. We're also kind of at a little bit of a sweeper. It literally touched once, twice, 3 times. This is the 4th time we've touched that target and not gone through it. So I'm looking to see if it's going to turn into a sweeper. Kind of sweep the target and then target the back of the Enigma. The distance on that to the back would be decent. Yeah, 67 ticks. I'll take that.
So again, that's Thune on Trump asking to cancel August recess. When asked about that question, it says thinking about it.
Hey, Plutonium. All right, get the chat here on screen here. There we go. Hey, Marton. Okay, we are touching that target one more time. All right, and it swept for the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th time. Sorry. Tired. Read the tape. Hey, how's it going, sir? Mind if I just call you Reed? I'm just going to call you Reed. Oh, oy, 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 oy. All right, looks like we got a BBI here.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, buyers stepping through, pushing it through the target there. So if we pop up above that, then it's not a sweeper anymore.
Just a heads up, White House Press Secretary Levitt currently speaking to reporters. I don't think there is a live video. We'll see if there is. I don't think it's going to be that long either.
Hey Manny, how's it going, sir? They're like, just a heads up, Trump is probably going to say something any moment. The Antichrist hath spoken. Obey. Alright, I'm just going to close it for now. We're going to see what happens here. They're flirting around with it. It is 3:25. We got 5 minutes till the half-hour mark here. King timing coming up in 2 lines right there. Well, don't run without me, bro. Rude. All right, 4 minutes till the BTFD STFR time of day. Been collecting here for a while.
Levitt says Trump has no plans to fire Fed chair.
About firing, talking about criminal accusations, talking about perjury. I heard them like, he's like, we're gonna get you on perjury for buying furniture or something. I don't know. Who was that person that said, there's like a famous phrase that says, point me at the person and I'll find you the crime. Who said that? It was somebody famous. Hey Steven, how do you get the half and double on the chart trader? Do you have Algo box installed? It's on the templates by default unless you didn't install it correctly, possibly.
2-finger
Levitt
NQ
says
on the
Fed chair needs
37.
to lower interest rates.
Double delta.
It's in our default workspace. New to the channel? Oh, you don't have Algo box? Okay. Have you been trading a while? What do you usually trade with? How'd you find us? That kind of stuff. Kind of give me a quick brief history on you, and I won't bother you too much more after that. But I like to get to know the folks who are hanging out here with us. if you don't mind, and we'll try to help you out.
Levitt says that we're not concerned about deficit due to tax cut bill.
Okay, there's the 2-minute warning. 3:30 coming in 2 minutes. I see the sliver color change. Got the DDSR. Thank you, Brian. Show me the man and I'll show you the crime. That's what it is. That's what I was trying to say. And there's secret police, Joseph Stalin. Yeah, I mean, it's what it feels like when he's like, "All right, pal, you don't wanna resign. We'll find something.
Levitt adds that
I'll point at you and accuse you of something." All right, I'm here in buyer step here. I'm gonna take this in the crab. Leave a few on here. I mean, I'm expecting a big drop out here, but if it doesn't go, remember the sweeper, I'm just targeting the back of the Enigma. I mean, it got there by like a tick. I just thought,
you could see more tariff.
I mean, it did literally to the penny. Like the sweeper hit 40 ticks exactly, but the bulls are just too strong, man. The bulls are just always around. They don't go away.
Enigma short you on the NQ4.
Oh, very cool. Welcome aboard. On YouTube recommendations, who do you usually listen to? All right, is that the proper term? Listen to what other YouTuber in trading do you kind of, you know what I'm saying? You know. All right, too much steady buying right there. Nothing in, nothing out. They're just still wrangling inside of this little, I don't even know what. Too narrow to care. Listening now, if I get sellers along with that red Enigma, I'm going.
Admin remains open to talk with Iran.
Oh, don't trick me. Listening for audio box.
Enigma short on the YM3.
RDGD and RIPS. I'm not familiar with RGDD, but I am familiar with RIPS. He got famous for being on
Levitt ended her remarks to the White House reporters.
Top Step for a long time, right? He got his start with Top Step. Don't pop that Enigma. But I know Rips, he's a cash account guy. He uses like a $700,000 account, or at least the last time that I talked or heard from him. Is he still doing 700K in his account? You got something else going on there. And then he also started streaming somewhere else, right? He's like, he's not just on YouTube, he's streaming on like Kickstarter or something, or Kicks. Kick or something like that.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Apex. Oh. Oh, I just thought he had always been. The way he sounded, it sounded like he had always been that. My mistake. I have to keep up with the It's all right. Red dot came in there finally. See if bulls hold on to it. I'm sorry. Why did I just say bulls? Got bulls on the brain. This sunbird's not doing me any good. I'm like just very uncomfortable, literally uncomfortable in my skin right now. It's sunburns are the, I won't say they're the worst, but not fun. Yeah, he gets up real early in the morning, right? He's like in California, and he's like, he's up at the crack of dawn on Eastern time. Like, what is he on? Like, he's got to get up at like 3 a.m. in the morning, maybe 2 a.m. Does the guy even sleep? You one of those people that goes to sleep when the sun's up? Or like, oh, there's the sunset. Like, how do you do that? Oh, he's in Vegas. My bad. Wow, see, I don't know what I'm talking about. I thought he was in California. Are we just going to keep floating this area? Thanks, Eddie. Vinny, the lawsuits are coming. What does that mean? Who? Do we got more trolls? Is it more trolling? They just keep coming. Can't sue people for hurting your feelings last time I checked, bro. Don't close above that white line.
Fib.NQ on the 37.
All right, it's pushing up above it. I don't know. They're just farting around in this area here. Way too tight to really get excited about anything. We do have a big fat red dot coming in here on the 37 now as well. Oh, I was supposed to change that to 36. I'm gonna do it now. Need to lock it in for the week. It's Monday. All right, it's on the 36 as well. I could just came up there, so it's there as well. 36, and gotta lock it in for the week. Here it is Monday. Red dot here as well inside. I mean, it should just be both sides playing both here. 339. Oh, excuse me. Talking about the four-legged dog trap?
Double delta NQ on the 4.
There's something called a 4LDT if you're talking about the four-legged dog trap. You asking for this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing? Yeah. Kind of, yeah, there's the doggy head right there. Yeah, that's a good eye. 1, 2, 3, 4. You had the crab pop up. Yeah. Very good call, sir. Must have been fresh on your mind, but yes, you got it. There's 1, 2, 3, and then the 4, shake it, and then there's the little doggy head right there to take it up. So if you do get the 4LDT there, that's 35 ticks to the upside. Good job identifying that. Yes, cracked through the Gartley. All right, want to try to maximize the opportunity if it's going to go. Problem is, it came down fast, probably not going to last, and we're also really tight inside of this area here. They've collected enough where we could shoot through it, but is it going to go right now or not? We'll find out here soon.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 36.
Go. Gonna add some more as we go. Or is that just the shakeout and we're going to pop back up? Let's see.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 36. Lower bands touch NQ on the 36.
Think these white lines are not letting me click the like trying to put a hard stop here behind the 8 to let it run. All right, just gonna let her run. If she's gonna go, great. If not, we're on our way. All right, YM had a trade open here. I'm going to close that one as well. Puts us up over 35K on the bot account. That was a beautiful dropout 10 moonshot short. That RTY from earlier today has been beautiful. Drove it all the way down from the top. That was the 18.5 we talked about earlier today with the cluster. Look at that, literally called the high in RTY. The follow through on another moonshot short, and I just closed it out right there. Beautiful.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 36.
What time? 3:45.
Double delta
And I'll close it right there on the super dots. Butamus puts us at about 32K. I hit 32 a lot. That is like a
NQ on the
it's
9.
like a thing. I mean, we had a big fat green dot coming in on the 9s as well. So hold to the opposing signal. There's the opposing signal. If you have been through our training, like to hold to the opposing signal on runners, and that's a nice one. 131 ticks from the crab down, and of course we had the Enigma helping us out there. It just creeped in there and got it. Good call from CT Trading, looking at the four-legged dog trap 4LDT into the crab, popped it up, and I should have seen that because then I could have re-engaged there after the 4LDT and done a little better on that, probably be in positive territory on that account. You hit 777 a lot. Awesome. The chat overlay is large and blocking some of the chart. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. That was, we were having a little fun with the troll earlier today. Thank you for that. Sorry about that, guys and gals. Has that been that way the whole time? Sorry about that. So sorry about that. When did that happen? Was that there the whole time? I'm really sorry. So I don't know how much of that you guys got to see. So basically, this is what I was trying to show earlier, that 10-0, very nice on the Dow, and for the RTY, called the top drop literally from the 18.5 and the cluster there from this morning on the live stream that we saw, and I just closed it out now as it added to position, multiple contracts all the way down. Very nice. But hold to the opposing signal was what we were talking about there. Let me show you guys this one. So we were showing the big green dot here coming from red dot up top. Hold to the opposing signal. There's the green dot for the exit. Nice on the runner. Not too shabby. It may not be done here. and just want to make sure that I am exiting on areas like that so I can re-engage the position. I will look for the first red, and if the first red holds, then the bears maintain control and I can go back at it again. We are 2 minutes from the 350 algo. I'm going to refresh financial juice just to make sure we hear it come through. All right, working to see if I can get this thing back into positive territory on the day. It is now 1 minute from the 350 algo. Here we go.
Imbalance data.
All right, imbalance data coming. Sizing up. Here we go. 349. Currently, we have 45 seconds. Where are we? We are outside of the fiddle zone. We are green and red opposed to one another right now. So we don't have the two-step in our favor here to be able to make that easy. So I'm going to wait for a play set up.
Telling Fox News
Left hand buy, right hand sell.
That we cannot give up enrichment.
Okay, there's a shark back.
Ten seconds.
Gonna add a hard stop just in case. All right, it did get stopped out there. Okay, we got a headshot shark back right here.
65 million. Dow 30 sell side 399 million, and Mag 7 buys.
We're buying it. We're going into a big fat red dot on. Waiting for them to stop clacking. Big fat red dot on the nines. See if the bears are going to maintain control here.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 36.
Cracking through the dot. All right. It cracked it. Bears unable to hold on to it. Seemed slow all day on speedometer compared to last Wednesday. Today's Monday. Bro. All right. I don't think you're from here.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Michael E., do you want to translate that for me, buddy? I have no idea what you're saying. Like, make it make sense, please. Yeah, no worries. I just don't know how that... I'm sure you have a meaning, like you mean something. I don't know what to... Not sure what you're saying, bud. I mean, I know what you're saying, but I don't know what that means. Actionable information. Juice. Man, these bulls are relentless. They won't even let me out on they won't even let me out on Cipher Touch. Wild. They are wild. Alright, I'm gonna kill it. Alright, I tried to battle it out. It was not gonna happen. It's 6 minutes to the close. I mean, when the Cipher can literally even barely get touched and we're pushing up here, like, it's just, they're just there. They're in there. Can't play it. Let's see if we're gonna crack through. Oh, now we're gonna crack through it. Of course. Of course. Alright, one last shot. I'm gonna add a hard stop.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
HMD, double shark. What's the time? We've got 5 minutes till the close.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, here comes the wild child. They're starting to get sparky. I'm gonna lock it in here. They're getting crazy.
Touch NQ on the 36.
Targets filled, and I'm in positive for the day. Holy shnikes, did not think they were going to give it to us like that, but hey, I will take it. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. I'm going to get a little sleep tonight. Thanks for hanging out here with us there today. That was pretty wild all the way down to the diamond. Into positive territory. 35 and some change. That was nice.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. I know I can't let go without you near. Feel alone. I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. Algo box, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how.
Canada's LeBlanc is to be in Washington this week for trade discussions.
Double Delta NQ on the 4.
Alrighty then, we're gonna shuffle them up. We'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. From me, Pippi, Robbie, Lost from Moscow, Curtis, G, and ADB. I'm sitting out Big H-Town. See ya. Art team, show these fine folks how it's done.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor who thinks they're small They're nimble. They can trade. They can use front end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 Weiland. Long. Look for a long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Left down on a creep. Order filled. Target filled.
We have posted out the statement of Tanja's Parliament. His statement of meeting with the senators on the feed for his read.
Audio Jungle.